How to change name on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change name on Facebook. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, first of all, you need to head over to Facebook to your application, or you can go to facebook.com as well and then log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can head over to this profile page by tapping on this and go to the settings from the menu. After this opens up, all you need to do is go over to Account Center first, and then from here, head over to Profiles. After that, go to your profile again, and you'll be finding this interface. So if you want to change your name, head over to Name, and here, all you need to do is go ahead and cancel out the previous name first by crossing it out and typing in a new name for yourself. And remember that if you want to change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days if you have already changed it. So for the change to be applied, it needs to be completed 60 days. So that is it. After you write out your new name, in the bottom you'll be finding a view change option. Just go ahead and tap on it and enter your password for security reasons, and that should do it. So that is how you change your name on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.